Make a great choice today with 2012 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, cruise control, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, power door locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.